Hey guys, today I'll show you how to clean the camera sensor. It's pretty easy and straightforward. You need a sensor cleaning kit. This is the one I got from Amazon. It's quite affordable, and this will come for APSC and full frame. There are two different sensor cleaning kits. Difference is the front tip of this rubberized cleaner size. For APSC it is smaller, for full frame it will be exact match to the full frame sensor width. So you need a cleaning swab and is this liquid. So the cleaning swab looks like something like this. It has this soft velvet material on the tip. This method you can do it if it is a dust or some artifacts that enter your camera sensor. Don't do it too many times. Once in a 6 months or a year is fine, and also make sure to be very gentle. Use this blower to just first blow the artifacts if there are any. So in my case this is actually new camera, but my nephew touched the sensor, so there are fingerprints on the sensor, so I had to clean this. I've done this before for my previous cameras. I wanted to show you how it can be done. Take just 2 drops of this liquid and that is enough. So you have to do only once. You don't need to do like multiple times like this. Just do it once. That is more than sufficient. And if you do it many like multiple times, it will remove the coating on the sensor. I'm going to do it only once, and that's it. And this, since this is APS-C swab, it almost covers the entire sensor. And if you buy a full frame version, it will cover the full frame sensor. So I'll start from the other end. I'll slowly touch it, and yeah. So now that sensor is pretty clean. You don't need to do multiple times. As I said, it will damage the sensor. So that's it guys. That's all you have to do. And if you found this video helpful, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.